In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Sony Alpha camera as a webcam for conference meetings, video calls and even live streaming using free software and without the need of buying any third-party hardware. All you need is a micro USB to USB data cable. Ideally, use the cable that came with your camera, as not all data cables are created equal. So if you have any issues, try using a different cable. Often that may be the problem. Now, I'm using an A6500 in this demonstration, but I've got this working with an A7S II and an A6300. So I believe you can also use this method with the majority of other Sony Alpha cameras. Before we get started, let's make sure all the settings are correct in the camera itself. Jump into the menu screen, hit USB connection and select PC remote. Then lastly, make sure that camera is set to manual mode and not movie mode. Next up, you will need to download the Sony Remote software, OBS Studio and WEBCAM. All the links will be in the description below. Plug the cable into the camera and the computer, switch it on and run the Sony Remote software. Double click your camera and get yourself familiar with those options. Again, if you find you have no live view, make sure your camera is set to manual. Best to arrange your composition first, then hit AF button to keep the camera's focus fixed. Otherwise it will continuously drop in and out of focus and that can get annoying. Download OBS Studio and WEBCAM via the links below. Open OBS Studio, create a new scene, new window capture, and let's call it Sony Cam. Click OK. Then in the Windows drop-down menu, select Remote. This should bring up the picture from your webcam. Click OK, then holding the command button, adjust the crop of the window accordingly. When you're happy with that, go to Tools and select WEBCAM. Click Start and this will enable you to select it as a webcam in the settings of your live video software like Zoom and Skype. Open up Skype, head over to Settings, Audio and Video, and in the drop-down select OBS Camera, and now you are ready to roll. Just remember, this is a workaround, so it will be a little buggy, but touch wood, it's been working like a charm for me. Side note, make sure you keep the Sony Remote on your desktop and don't minimize it, as it will freeze your picture if you do so. Other than that, you're good to go. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.